great looks. These glass elements shine beautifully and even gave my old door a fresh new look. Installation was easy, the hardware is sturdy and everything fit perfectly. It also has convenient locking features. Just press the button and the door is locked. This is especially convenient for bedroom or bathroom. The mechanism works smoothly, nothing sticks or wobbles. I definitely recommend it.